This is the original Wildfire Wildman, and I'm showing off all my scooters today. We're going to show you the Wildfire WFH150-D in Burgundy. These are pretty fast road scooters here. They've got 10-inch tubeless tires, front disc brake, and it definitely will go 60 miles an hour with me on there. I weigh 220 pounds. Got a horn, left turn, right turn, bright and dim. Show you the massive acceleration this baby has. They come just like you see them. Got a pretty good sized trunk here. Glove box rather. They all have lockable steering. Lock the steering. Storage under the seat. They come with the driver's manual. These are all new scooters. It does have a Kickstarter and a locking gas cap and a locking rear trunk. The Kickstarter's under here, so in case you run your battery down, there it is. Kind of hard to find, but it's there. Give it a kick. Oop. There we go. Okay. What else can I say? Let's look at the next scooter.